Hi sir, myself Rajanak, and today in this video I am going to explain another Leetcode problem, which is number is 151, reverse word in a string. This is a medium category of question. So let's read this question and how to solve it. I explain it with my code. So basically, given an input string as reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space character. Yeah. The words in S will be separated by a at least one space. Okay. Return a string of the word in a reverse order, uh, concatenated by a single space. Note that S may be contain leading or trailing space or multiple space between two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. Okay, so basically, question said that given a string. Okay, here we can see take us example one where S is a string. Okay, so we need to remove this space. At least can present only one space, and other if present one more than one spaces, then remove them, and to reverse these strings also. Now see this example one. This given string is this sky is blue. Okay, so now the reverse is one by one, not character, not reverse this character, reverse the words. Okay, so blue is sky the. Okay, similarly example two, where also the white space is also present, so remove it. Okay, and reverse them these strings. But one is sorry, one things, the white spaces are only present on the string between, sorry, word between. If to find others, then remove them. Okay, so now here we can see also the two times the white spaces present, so remove them one. So now how to approach this question and how solve it, I explain in with my code. Okay, I write my code and I explain it. Simply what I do, to first convert these strings into a array. Then I append this string in another string. Okay, so and I get to remove these white spaces. I use another method which is trim method, which is remove the white spaces. Okay, so firstly I convert these strings into a array. Okay, so now I write my code. So sorry, string. So using to convert this string into array, I use a method which is split method, which is convert a string into a array. Okay, so s dot, sorry, split method, and also these to convert this array, this string into array by word, not character by character. So for convert word by word, I give them a space and a plus sign, because the these words are convert into word by word for this way. Okay, so now also we need to reverse these strings. So for reverse, I use a loop which is for loop. Using for loop, I reverse these strings. Okay, so sorry. So basically on this for loop, I started from the last of these strings, because length minus one, because the our strings are Also, index started is its index from 0. So length minus 1 because it started 0 index. So length minus 1 and started length minus 1 in last of these strings. Okay. And up to I greater than 0 and I minus minus. Okay. What I do also after reverse. Yes. I create another string builder. Yeah. We can take a string buffer and append this string. Why I use a string builder and string buffer? We can choose anything. The main thing is why choose it, because our string is in Java are immutable. Means we cannot change it. We cannot perform any operation on it, but we can use a string builder and we can perform any operations. So for that reason, I use a string builder. Okay, sorry. Str. Okay, now what I do to append, to put each word in our string builder. Okay, so what I do using append method. Okay, using append method, I put one by one, one by one word I put in a string builder. Okay, so str dot append method. Using this method, I put one by one my words inside this string builder. Okay, so and also we need to give space between them. Here we can see also it needed space between them. Okay, so also after putting these words, also we put a space. Okay, so uh, okay. So now, after that, this for loop return this string str means this string builder. But we cannot return this string builder. We convert it's into a string, and after that we can return this string. So what I do, okay, convert the return, and also we need to remove this string means these white spaces. Okay, we can direct return it. Okay, direct return it. Okay. Now this string method, what is doing means to delete these white spaces from this string. Okay, now return. Okay, okay, everything is clear. Thing good. I run it first. Okay, run time error. And I started. Sorry. We need to iterate this array, not these strings. Okay, so sorry for this. Okay, array. Okay, and it remove it. Okay, so now 5. Yeah. Because I iterate these strings, not iterate these strings, I iterate this array. Okay, now where you can see the all test cases are passed now submitted. Uh, okay, so the runtime is 16. So now let's talk about this time complexity and space complexity. What happened with it? So the time complexity means how much time taken our algorithm or a function as a input size. So in this case, in this code, the time complexity, let's calculate the this our array, sorry, our string converted into a array. The all the characters, all the words are converted into a array set. So let us let's time com in worst case, it's time complexity which is converted into array which is big of n, means n is depend on the length of the strings. Okay, and also this for loop also happen to run its up to its length and append all the words into a str, means or string builder. So for this for loop, the time complexity big of, in worst case, big of m. So total time complexity all of this in this code. So big of m plus n, means m is the length of, sorry, yeah, m is the length of the uh, loop, sorry, these strings, and n is the length of this our string which is converted into array. Okay, so total time complexity big of m plus n. And now space complexity, what happened also space complexity also yeah, big of m plus n, because all this string builder, inside this string builder, the all these words are append. So suppose take us its time complete no, sorry, not time complexity, not space complexity. Okay, so space complexity means how much space consumed in our memory. These our input or this algorithm. Okay, so in this case, this space complexity means I create a array which is convert to take memory up to it's the length of this our strings. So space complexity in this case which is big of n, and another I create a string builder which is obviously time complexity big of n, because the all the words are append this string builder. So total space complexity in this code big of m plus n. So time complexity big of n plus n, and space complexity also big of n plus n. So this is the solution of this code. So thank you.